they didn't expect that Ajinkya Rahane will basically improve his game this much. So I'm happy they are talking about me, negative or positive either way. I'm really happy that they are talking. Let them talk. But batting wise, partner wise, with Finn Allen, has been amazing. We had a very good partnership in Mumbai. First 6 overs you always look to go fearless cricket, play fearless cricket with freedom. At times you will struggle. That's okay. It's important to accept. But I know